So today we are going to discuss about regular and irregular verbs. Okay? Regular and irregular verbs. Am I audible, children? For everyone, am I audible? Can you show me thumb? Can you show me thumb if I am audible? Good, very good. So now see, we are going to discuss regular and irregular verbs. Regular verbs are those whose past and past participles forms are formed by adding D or ED. You have to remember, children, regular verbs means a verb which ends with D or ED. Okay? Love. Example is there. See, love, loved, loved. ED is added there. ED is added. So that is a regular verb. If ED, D and ED is added. D and ED is added if any verb, then that is a regular verb. Next one you see irregular verb. Irregular verbs are those whose past and past participle forms are not formed by adding D or ED. Here we will not find any D or ED. You can see the example break, broke, broken. Can you see there D or ED? Can you see any D or ED there? No, it's not there. So that is a irregular verb. Now let us see on the screen. Just a second. Can you see the screen, children? Can you see the screen? Okay. So now let us see the regular verbs. What are regular verbs? Most verbs are regular verbs. Regular verbs, those whose past tense and past participle formed by adding D or ED. You can see here. You can see here we have taken D and ED. Okay. And here the same thing. Love. Okay. Loved and loved. ED, D is added for that. Okay. And now let us see the irregular verb. Some examples let us see first for the regular verb. See the regular verbs here. You have so many regular verbs. See, I have taken a list of regular verbs. You can see here bake, baked, baked. Okay. What you can see here, we have added D. Okay. And here we have added ED in the next one. See, beg, begged, and begged. Next one, behave, behaved, behaved. Boil, boiled, boiled. Borrow, borrowed, borrowed. Brush, brushed, brushed. Bury, buried, buried. Find, found, found. Call, called, called. Challenge, challenged, challenged. Change, changed, changed. Chase, chased, chased. Cheat, cheated, cheated. Cheer, cheered, cheered. Chew, chewed, chewed. Clap, clapped. You also read. Try to read, everyone. Clapped. Clean, cleaned, cleaned. Collect, collected, collected. Compare, compared, compared. These are all the examples we have taken, and you can see here what we have added. We have added D or ED. When we have added D or ED, this is called a regular verb. What is that? What is this? These are all regular verbs. Next one, let us see irregular verbs. Let us see irregular verbs. What are irregular verbs? Irregular verb. Irregular verbs are those whose past tense and past participles are not formed by adding D or ED. Here you will not find any D or ED. The first one you can see break, and the second one is broke. Here no D is there. D is not there. And here broken, again here D or ED is not there. So these are irregular verbs. Now let us see some more examples of irregular verbs. Children, try to read these irregular verbs, and you will not find D or ED at the end. Try to read out these all words. First one, lose, lost, lost. Come on. Next one is make, made, made. Mean, meant, meant. Meet, met, met. Pay, paid, paid. Mistake, mistook, mistaken. Overhear, overheard, overheard. Oversleep, overslept, overslept. See, put, put, put. Children sometime know what you will use this in your vocabulary actually. Ma'am, I have putted my book on the table. Is there any putted word in this uh, here on the screen? Can you see? Ed is added for the put? No. For past and for past participle also you have to use only put, put, put. There is no word like putted. That is not there in our English only, okay? So cutted, putted, okay? You should not repeat this type of words. Okay, now see read, read, read. Spellings are same, but the pronunciation will be changed. Read, read, read. And here you can see rend, rent, rent. Read, read, read. Same are there. Ride, rode, ridden. Okay, ring, rang, and rung. The same way you will get sing also. Sing, sang, sung. Okay. Rise, rose, rosen. Run, ran, run. Say, said, said. See, saw, seen. These are all examples you have for what? Irregular verbs. You have to, just a simple thing you have to remember, that D and ED are regular verbs. Without D and ED are irregular verbs. Clear for everyone? What are regular verbs and what are irregular verbs? Did you understand? Viraj, Samanyo, Pranav, Sritan. Sai Kirtan, Yatin, Faizan, Nirvi, Vinmay, Rohan, Pranit Rana, Lasya, Kritik Raj. Yes? Rohan, Akshay, Huria, Aishani, Shashank, Indivar, Netra, Siddhant, Aishani, Aryan, Prabhat, Sanvi, children, everyone, did you understand? Yes, what are regular and irregular verbs? Now, what is homework for you? You see here, very interesting homework you have. There is a big passage given for you. Okay, one story is given and you have to read the story. You have to find out the regular verbs and irregular verbs. For regular verbs, you have to underline, and for irregular verbs, you have to circle. Take out the page number 12 of your course book, 1 to 12. Course book, page 12. Second bit. Second bit. Yes? What you have? Underline the regular. Underline the regular verbs and circle the irregular verbs. Here upside beta you write date and HW, sorry, date 29/7 and HW here on second bit. Write date and HW, everyone, fast. Okay, it was winter. The ponds were all frozen. At the court, Akbar asked Birbal, tell me, Birbal, tell me, tell me, Birbal, will a man do anything, do anything for money, for money? Birbal replied, Birbal replied, yes. So only one sentence I wrote here. to explain you what to do with your homework, how you are going to write your homework. See here. Everyone look at the screen. It was winter, the ponds were all frozen. Can you tell me in this sentence, do you have any regular or irregular verb? You can unmute and you can tell. What you have to do?
Frozen.
Frozen is what?
Regular verb.
What we have to do frozen? We have to circle or we have to underline. Is it a regular or irregular verb?
Circle.
Circle. It is a
Circle.
irregular verb. It is an irregular verb. And next sentence, see, at the court, Akbar asked Birbal. Can anyone tell me? Is there any regular or irregular verb in second line?
Asked.
Asked. What is that asked? Regular or irregular?
Regular.
So we have to underline or circle.
Underline.
Underline. Now, third line, see. Tell me, Birbal, will a man do anything for money? Do you have anything there? Third line. Huh?
Replied.
No, in third line. In this line. In third line, can you tell me? Is there any verb? Is there any regular verb or irregular verb in third line?
Ma'am, regular verb anything.
No. Anything is not an action word. Action word I want. Something action word. Verb. Do. Doing is an action word, no?
Ma'am, tell.
Do. Tell is also very good. What is tell here? Tell is again irregular verb. Do.
Ma'am, replied.
Replied what? Here this is regular verb. Do is irregular verb. Do, did, done. Okay, action word. Replied. Replied is a regular verb, so you have to underline. So children, now you understood how you are going to write the homework?
Yes, ma'am.
This is the way you are going to do the homework. If you are finding any irregular verb, you have to circle. If you are finding any regular verb in that line, particular line, you are going to underline. Clear?
Here, ma'am.
Okay, did you write the date and HW on the page?
Proof regular, ma'am.
Date and HW.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now, children, in our previous class, we have discussed about the mushroom house. Do you remember?
Yes, ma'am.
Mushroom house.
Yes, ma'am. We have discussed.
Yes. Now, based on that mushroom house, you have some question and answers or fill in the blanks here. Can you tell me? Take out your Global English page number 53. Global English page number 53. Ready? Global English page number 53. What you have to do? You have to select some phrases. In our previous lesson, we have discussed about the phrase, no? A small sentence, incomplete sentence, but it gives a proper concept, right? So now you have to select a word or a phrase, small word, one word, two words from the mushroom house, and you have to fill in the blanks. Okay, now right, the man has collected many colorful dash to fill the flower vase. What you will take from the mushroom portion? What we have to take? Garden, Garden flowers. This is the A answer. Garden flowers. Do you want to click a nice dash with me? Click a dash with me. Nice picture. See, you can see the picture is there. Picture word is there in the mushroom house. From the last line to third line, there is a picture. So you have to write the, do you want to click a picture with me? B1, you can write picture. See, the monkey is sitting on our dash since morning. Where is the monkey sitting? It's sitting on the mushroom house. You can also write only house also, that's okay. The monkey is sitting in our house or mushroom house since morning. D. I have planted a rose plant in my dash garden. Where we have done? Roof garden. Roof garden. E. Food gives us dash. Food gives us dash. What word shall we take from the textbook? We can take energy. Food gives us energy. My father likes to listen to classical dash. What classical? You can write there music, classical music. F, music. Done, children? Show me thumb if you have done. Pranav is still writing. Done, Pranav? Good, good. Okay. So, children, today you have to complete this homework and learn this fill in the blanks. Write date and CW beta on the top of the group A. Fill in the blanks near fill in the blanks. Write today's date 29 and CW.